Alright, sorry about the last video. The phone kept falling from vibrations. I'm back on the 2019 Ford Transit 250 catalytic converter job, how we make the converter fit an OEM Y pipe with universal parts. So this is the catalyst we're using for the universal. See that the oxygen sensors are right in line with each other. That's how the original one was. We're reusing the front section, which I've seen these things last forever. I'm gonna weld this in, you guys can watch.
Did you grab that O-ring?
Get it?
Ooh, this is hot. Of course, I'm welding on where the spray paint on the lip. Welded in, no pinholes, and then we're going to fit this flipperooski. Some days I don't even know why I came to work. And this is going to fit all the way up inside of here. And we're going to check that for fitment, which I don't have any questions in my mind that that's going to fit at all. We got to weld this plug in here and then save work for Caleb to have for the rest of the day because there ain't shit going on here.